Welcome back to my channel, and today we don't have a riding video or a mechanical video, but it's related to it. Here is my currently toolbox. This one's over here is not mine, that's my brother's. This one is mine, and I had it for 14 years now, and I think it's time for upgrading. It's pretty packed, and I got a lot of special tools I have over here, and more tools are coming in, and I want to have everything in the same place. So I bought a new one. It's a toolbox slash workbench. And you got a USB outputs and 220 European standard plugs. And I'm getting it in a couple of days, and I already begun to take down. There was a lot of tools hanging there. Tools I never need again, so it's not coming up again. And so I'm gonna move all that. The bench is starting here at this outlet here, and oh yeah, the air hose has to be moved over here because it's a large bench or a toolbox, but move it over, maybe a meter or something. It's closer to the air tools, so that's good. And the hose is plenty long to what I need it for, because even I move it over there, I got an air hose here as well, so I will manage. And I'm thinking about buying one more lift, because I'm getting a lot of jobs, bikes, and I'm tired of taking the bikes off the lift before it's done, and that's why I'm thinking about one more lift. I think it will be exactly the same kind of lift, because you got a manual pump. That's maybe not the fastest way to get the bike up in the air, but those lifts here are cheap, or cheaper, but I modify them a little bit with holes and stuff to hold down the bike. And if I buy a new one, it would be, I would think, almost the same. Maybe the thing that holds. What did you do there, little camera? The thing that holds down the bike. Jesus, what's happening? The camera is just turning all. The thing that's holding the bike is this one. That's okay to that kind of, what is that, 17-inch tires or rims. It's fine with that, but if you got a cruiser with a big front wheel, it's the thickness of the wheel. I'm thinking about that L-clamp. Maybe it's more easy to put up a clamp fasten the front wheel on a cruiser with that kind of. So I got a I'm thinking about one lift with this one we have here, and one with the L clamp. I think that's the price of this is about 500 Danish crowns, and the L clamp is about the same price, so it doesn't matter. But all the same holes. Maybe a drill a couple of extra is gonna, like I did here. I got a couple of extra holes for different size of bikes. But anyway, this is going off topic. The toolbox is the next thing. And there you have it. I moved a couple of things so I can get some kind of feeling of how the size is. The bench is 2 meters and 15 centimeters. And this one has a broken wheel, and I bought 4 new wheels for this one because it's hard to get that size that is on right now. So I got a different size. It's not this is I think it's about 150 wheels on this one, and I cannot find it. So I think the new ones are closely to that size. So, but anyway, my cousin is interested in this when I've emptied it out and stuff. So it will live on in a different garage. But it served me well for 14 years, I think. There is no damage or anything. This is magnetic mounted. You could just pull it off. But anyway, see you in a couple of days.